I am going to a movie premiere this afternoon, so get ready with me and I shall take you along. Eye cream, moisturizer, primer, foundation. I then go in with my bronzer and my blush. And then I go in with my sponge, then brows, some brow gel, hydration spray, a little bit of eyeshadow, lips, liner, lip gloss, and mascara. Makeup done. This is my makeup, hair, and outfit for the night. We are going to see Project Hail Mary, a movie about a science teacher who wakes up on a spaceship with no recollection of who he is or how he got there. As his memory slowly returns, he soon discovers that he must solve the riddle behind a mysterious substance that is causing the sun to die out. As details of the mission unravel, he calls on his scientific training, but he may not have to do it alone. Currently sitting at 95% on Rotten Tomatoes, it is a movie not to be missed. If you haven't watched this one yet, definitely check it out. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this one a like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Thanks so much for watching.